In this video, we are going to go over the staking capabilities within the Lumera Hub. Here, users can stake, claim their rewards, restake their rewards, as well as unstake or unbond their tokens as well. Once you've entered into the staking module within the hub, you can see an overview of all the validators that you can stake to, as well as the total amount of staked Loom on the network, the estimated APR, as well as a calculator to basically give an estimated return for the Loom that is being staked. All right, first we're going to go over how to claim your rewards. Under the My Staking tab, you can see that these are the list of validators that you have staked tokens to, as well as the amount that is claimable and the commission and the amount that is staked for those validators. Here, users are going to press the claim button, and then there will be a pop-up where you will press claim again. And after that, the wallets will pop up and asking for approval for that claim. Once you press the approve button, the claim will go through, and then here you will see a pop-up confirming the claim has been successful, as well as the transaction ID associated with that claim. You can click into that transaction ID and see the full details of that transaction. For those of you who have staked a lot of Loom with all sorts of different validators, it's going to be a little bit more of a hassle to claim from each and individual one. So we have a mechanism where users can claim all of the rewards from every single validator that they've staked to by simply pressing the Claim All Rewards button. This simplifies the whole process so that it's just one simple click and for you to get all the rewards in one go. Once you've clicked the button, the approval request will pop up in your wallet, and all you have to do is press approve. Once that has been pressed, the transaction will go through, and then from there you will see a pop-up that will basically confirm the transaction has gone through successfully. You can also see all the historical activities by clicking the Activities tab and seeing all your claims, your restake, your unstake, all of that. Under the Unstake and Restake tab, you can actually see the existing validators that are being redelegated to or unstaking from. Here we are going to focus on how to stake the Loom. The first step is to select a validator and then press Stake. Here we are going to insert the amount of Loom that we would like to stake, and obviously you understand that unstaking any Loom takes 21 days, so that's something that you need to check off. And then once that has been done, you will press stake, and then the approval process will begin. Once you press approve in your wallet, the transaction will begin, and then once the transaction has been completed, you will see this pop-up where it confirms the staked amount, and you can also click view transaction to view that transaction as well to confirm it. For users to unbond any of their staked tokens, they just simply need to go to the My Staking tab, go hit the unbond button for the validator that you would like to unstake your tokens from, and then once you have done so, you will then see this pop-up, and then there will be a button for you to check off, which is to understand that it will take 21 days for your tokens to be unbonded from this validator. Once you have pressed that and approved, a pop-up will appear in your wallet where you will then need to approve the transaction. Once that transaction has been approved, then you will see another pop-up where users can press the view transaction, and then they can actually see the transaction to confirm that the tokens are being unbonded. And as simple as that, this concludes the tutorial on how to use the staking module within the Lumera Hub.